1 hour later. Okay, this is the ano. Halika na, let's go. Dito kami yung second Airbnb dito. Yan. Maganda yung place.
Ayos yun, tatagal. Buhay pa yung nasa luggage ko. Ilang araw na yun. Ano kaya?
Yun natin lot
Tapos
mart.
pinapalitan mo lang ng parang battery.
Sa right side. Lotte mart. Ayan na. Lotte mart.
Mura na. Mura na po. Mura sa airport.
Yeah, this one. The Lotte mart.
Magkano gano'n?
Lance, maraming Koreans dito. Lot Mart. Picturean mo nga, mami. Kailangan may logo eh. Dapat may logo. Starbucks. May Highlands. Poklong. Ano kaya to? Restaurant din na sikat dito. Pero yung Highlands, ang daming Highlands coffee. Medyo marami. 3 yata? 4. May Highlands na naman. Ayun o. Ha? Kain muna tayo?
Yung chicken nila fried. Hindi yung parang sa KFC natin.
Bookstore, restaurant. Mga restaurant sa taas din. Ayan o, may gulay o. Ayan o, combo burger. Ganun. May zinger o. Yan, masarap yung zinger. Okay.
Alam mo ganyan, tapos...
Magano ako? May zinger ako.
Si mami, 1 piece lang daw.
1 hour later. Poklong. Asan na yung Highlands? Ito Highlands, pumili ako. Highlands, coffee. Coconut Americano with sugar syrup. Sarap.
Ilang floors na to?
Ano mas ka nag-start? Karating mo lang dito? Sige. Ito. Coconut coffee.
Coconut coffee.
Nagkano kami yung ano yun? Coffee tasting? Pre-taste coffee.
Yan may black. Nagamit ko may black. Para kay Maria. Thank you.
So this is the hazelnut.
Yeah, Robusta coffee and forever hazelnut.
More aroma.
Bestseller.
Philippines, yeah. Yeah, masarap. Salted.
Salt.
Salted. Maalat.
Try natin to. Let's try this one.
You taste the salt coffee.
Yeah, the next song.
Oh,
Milk, this one.
oh, this is the swada.
Yeah.
Ay,
Not
hindi
the
ka namin
swada.
milk, diba?
Yeah, you can. You try it.
Hot water.
Yeah.
The one you we taste.
Yeah,
Really?
hot water. And you the ring ice, you the ring corn, you put ice.
Mm.
Yeah, you drink corn. Yeah, already you don't need put a water, no need anything.
Mm.
Same.
Can I check?
Yes,
May milk yun.
inside stick like this.
Oh.
Mas marami pa to.
Tastes good. Palpitate na ako, guys.
Okay na.
Tayo
Oh, tama na. Tama na. Tama na pa. Baka matai ka na yan.
Ito, Mike. Buko ata. Ito, parang chill roast lang. Gusto mo, light lang. Ito, medium. Parang balance. Amerikano ito to. Ito yung matapang. Happy blend.
Try natin.
Ay,
Kasi hindi siya drip. Kailangan
Hindi,
ng machine.
pwede. Hindi. Ayan, pwede. For drip.
Ah, meron ka?
Ayan, sa bahay. Tsaka yung mocha pot.
Ito, naka ano na. Hindi na kailangan ng
Hindi na yung drip bag na lang. Ito yung grounds yan.
Americano.
Amerikano. Ah, sige. Ito yung Vietnamese na lang. Palagay ng Vietnamese. Roast ground coffee. Bili tayo isa. Ito pang drip natin. Ayaw mo yung whistle? I mean, hindi mo feel? Silo, demo. Discount.
Ano ba yung Americano na ganyan?
Meron, yung black. Oh, tsaka may alam ko may black yan. Ay, ito, black pala to eh. Black yan. Yan ang kunin natin. Ha? Coffee overload. Okay yan? Nagising ako doon sa kape. Dilat na dilat. Try natin si medyo nagpapalpitate na ako. Pahinga muna kami sa coffee. Bibili na kami ng mga pho na noodles. Okay, let's go. Magkakasya pa ba to? O gusto mo
Babawas ako.
paghiwalayin na lang natin naman? Ba di na lang ganito para marami? Hindi, ano na yata ito, smaller. Pero okay lang, Blanche. Smaller size. Ito, mas malaki kasi ito. Parang maubos ba? Yan. Ito, maliit lang. Small lang. Same lang din.
Ilang pieces?
5. Ayan, 5. Pero smaller siya.
Same lang.
Hindi. Ano to eh, 65 grams. Ito 120. 120 grams.
Okay ba yung sugo?
Eh, hindi ka masusuya. Parang for the taste lang. Hinahanap ko yung ano, Blanche eh. Hinahanap ko yung oats. Ano fix hat? Fix hat? What's this? Oatmeal. Oat milk.
The next day.
O, dito kami. Levy Living Apart Hotel. O, dito kami nagpa-massage. Up, careful ah. BYG. Good afternoon. It's already afternoon. BYTs. Iki Ramen and Don Burries. Irashaimase. Ha? Ayun. Katsudon. 100 plus. 100 plus.
It's like 170
It's cheap. Yes, it's good. Affordable. Wow, amazing. Sugoi. Sugoi. Yeah, yeah. Bili tayo.
Kumain ka ba niyan?
Oo naman. Pero konti lang, dalawa lang. Mura. Mura. It's not mahal. It's mura. Fighting should be continued. Fighting because we're jealous of this thing and this thing. Yeah, going out. Yeah, going out and she always contradicts what I'm about to say. Like, she has different aspirations for me, and I have different ambition for myself. we sometimes
She wanted to be a doctor, and you don't want to be a doctor.
the doctor,
And
she wants me to go abroad. She wants me to go abroad. But but I choose Network. In-order namin guys, gyudon. Gyudon tsaka yung sauce for gyudon. Tsaka katsudon. Amazing. Sugoi. Tempura. Tadakimasu. Sarap. Parang marugado. Sauce nito. Lalo lagyan. Ayan, tempura na tayo guys. Luglog na sa sauce. Para matanggal yung umay. Bye bye Iki Ramen. Rancho sari-sari store. Parang sa recto lang. Panchow train. Panchow train. May uwi na kami. Mga 7 p.m. Miss namin dito. Miss namin yung murang mga bilihin, pagkain. Especially yung coffees that are so damn delicious. Yeah, and the places here are amazing. Amazing places. So we're gonna have some coffee in Kong Cafe. Oh, where are you going? We're gonna have some coffee in Kong Cafe. So it's like a few blocks away from here. So let's go guys. Ikaw, sige. Kailan baka remove mo yung shoes eh? Remove natin. San pala yung store. O, diba? Buwis buhay. Kailangan mong tumakbo. Push. Hindi, Blanche, dito tayo kumain, di ba? Ayun nga, ito nga ulit. Sis, oh, ito yung tago eh. Dito tayo kumain, di ba? Oo nga, parang bumalik lang tayo. Sis. Tapos dun yung Chohan Market. Ano kami dumaan ni Mami. Yung Chohan Market, yung parang palengke. Tapos andun yung ano yung tago. Yung tago, yung Toan pala. Antoy. Ano yan? Antoy. Ang haba ng pila talaga. Ay, nako. Grabe talaga. Ito. Ito na, Blanche. Daming ta. Gusto mo yun ulit? Yun ulit orderin natin. Parin lang kasi yung pwede sa akin eh. For here. No, not yet.
We have the table up there. So you can order a table upstairs, please.
Okay. Ha? Oh. Konti lang difference eh. Yaman at least meron na.
막 웃음이 나와. 웃음이 나와.
Pero pa dito. Kaya saan mo gusto? Yung coconut coconut coffee na lang. Di ko alam kung ano to eh. Payment at the counter or ano. Kong signature ito. Cote d'Ivoire Cafe. Yun yung ordering ko. Coconut coffee ice blend. Tsaka, may kay Blanche. Cote d'Ivoire cacao. So, ito yung order namin, guys. Ito yung ano yun? Cote d'Ivoire Cafe or yung coconut coffee ice blend nila. And then, yung isa Naukem Moy. Moist. Coffee with condensed milk and salted cream. Okay, let's have some coffee time. Kong Cafe. Thank you so much. Big man. Big man. Ito, big mass. Big ho. Ano? Big o guy. Highlands. Yeah, very nice. Ito na kami. Last day today. Before we leave, Levy Living. Ayan, yan kami. Second floor kami. Ayan o. Bye-bye Airbnb. Airbnb, bye-bye. Elevator, pababa. Ito yung place namin. 2 bedrooms, 2 beds.
There's actually a few different ways in which we can do it. Wired connection, we can do a wireless connection, or we can just pull the memory card out. And I'm going to be demonstrating on an iPad. So simply, it's just by pulling the memory card.
Tapos may laundry pa sila.
This is also access footage on a standard computer. See, it's going to plug in. If I launch my file app, it's going to run the location.
CR. May bidet. Shower. Pero walang door. Yung wall lang. Boarding gates sa taas. So ano na kami? Pabalik na kami ng Pinas. What a great experience here in Tanang. Gusto mo dito na? Oh, gusto mo check natin doon. $1K. Na-miss ko yung flavor niyan. Yung Royce. Toilet.
This is pork?
Pork. Fresh. Wala silang wala silang oat milk. Oh, meron. Coffee with coconut milk. Can I order number 2? But can I change my coffee into Cafe Swada? Yeah, coffee with coconut milk. Can I change? Medium size. Okay. How much will be the total? Ito na guys. Titikman na namin yung banh mi. Ano to? Pork. Pork yung laman niya. Tsaka may pa. Free ba to? Custard cake ba to? Egg cake? Egg tarts ba? I don't know. Kasi may kasama. Tapos ito yung coconut coffee. Ayan na yung sa'yo. Wow. What did your... what coffee is this? Chocolate. Okay.